With the advent of generative AI, OpenAI came up with ChatGPT, and Anthropic came up with Claude, and then we have DeepSeek, so on and so forth. But how do we use these tools effectively? That's what I'm going to talk about today. If you're a marketeer and you want to work on a campaign, you first write down the campaign idea yourself, but not just go on ChatGPT and ask for campaign ideas. Yes, you can do that, but first think yourself that based on my objective, these are the campaigns I should run. Give it to ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT to fine tune or give you more ideas on top of that. That's where you're using it as an assistant, because first you spend time in thinking. Second, you're a programmer and you're given a task and you give that task to ChatGPT, generate the code and copy paste it and try to execute it. A lot of time it would not work as is. If you don't understand programming, you cannot rely on ChatGPT's output, or for that matter, Anthropic, DeepSeek, Claude, etc. You're a product manager and you write a prompt explaining your product concept and features to these Gen AI tools and use that output as a product backlog or to actually build user stories. That's not the right way. You're actually relying on the Gen AI tool to build user stories for you. That's where you're hindering your critical thinking and your actually analytical thinking. Right? What you should do is you should first write user stories and then give it to ChatGPT to refine it further. Again, you're using it as an assistant. Always remember to do your thinking, your paperwork first, so that you're not hindering your ability to think. But that's where you'll be using these tools against you, not for your benefit. So use these tools smartly, use them for your benefit, and use them to learn as an assistant to help you produce better output and become more efficient. Thank you.